Hi YouTube friends, this is Brad. Today we're going to show you how to hitch your travel trailer to your vehicle. Let's get started. Make sure if you have a battery disconnect that it's turned on, otherwise your power jack probably won't work. Okay, so we're ready to hook up the trailer to the vehicle, so obviously we have to back the vehicle up, so we want to extend the trailer. So we're extending the hitch up over where we think the ball is on the vehicle. Okay, so once we have the hitch right over the ball, we can go ahead and retract it. Just let it go back down. Actually, make sure that the this piece here is up and loose, and then just let it go down. And then we want to see the bottom piece lift up a little bit. Okay, so this is coming off the ground, so we can just stop. Okay, so now that it's down, we'll just let it seat there, and then we'll put the cotter pin back in like so through the hole. Make sure that's on well. Okay, so now we're ready to insert the power cord into the truck here, so just pop that in like so. Okay, now we're going to attach the safety chains. So we want to make sure the chains are crossed over at least once, and then we just kind of push that down, as you can see here in the video, and we'll get both sides attached. Okay, now we're going to attach the breakaway switch, so it's a C-clamp here, so we'll put that on the truck here, like so. Okay, so we're extending, so this bottom piece, we want the bottom piece to hit the ground, we want to raise. So next we have to attach the two stabilizer bars and the anti-sway bar. So to do that, we have to keep extending, and we want to lift the whole tongue up. The truck is going to lift up attached, and that's what we want. So we're going to keep raising everything together. And we're going to go very high so we have less tension on the chains, which is a part of the stabilizer bars, which you'll see shortly. Alright, so we're going to keep going up. So next we're going to attach the two stabilization bars. So to do that, just grab this end. There is grease here. And then these will just go up. Right here, you'll go all the way forward here. Push it up, like so. And then you can just, it'll stay in, and you just come back. And then what you're going to do, mine is the fourth chain up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop it. And then we're going to, there's a little hook here. You can see this hook. And that's going to just kind of go right, sit there for just a moment. And so basically what we do is we want to make sure nobody's standing here just in case this accidentally releases. But there should be a lot less tension on this chain with everything lifted up. So we're going to, on this long piece coming out here, we're going to hook the bar, and then we're going to raise it up. Okay, before we can attach the chain, actually there's a cotter pin on each side. We have to pull that cotter pin out, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that pipe and put it on that piece sticking out straight at you here. And we're going to lift up to attach it. So we're going to have this chain fall all the way down on this hook. And again, make sure nobody's standing in line of fire just in case something goes wrong, which it shouldn't, but... Ooh. There we go. Sometimes there's tension. So you want to make sure that this chain link is all the way down on this hook. Okay? And then once that's up like that, then we can attach the cotter pin back. So there's sort of a sweet spot where that cotter pin goes, so that'll slide all the way through like that. Okay? And then simply we go to the other side, and we're just going to repeat on this side. It's starting to rain, so we'll just do this quickly. So we go up and in like the other side, and then go around and hook up our chain. Okay, so now that our stabilizer bars are on, we're just going to go ahead and retract it. And we're going to let it go back down. And there is one more step. We have to attach the sway bar. So we'll do that in just a moment. So we want this to lift off the ground, obviously. We want it to come all the way up. Okay, so this is our sway control bar. We have one of these, so, and it has two cotter pins, as you can see. So to attach this, there's this small little ball here, so we're going to go down on that. And then there's also a small ball here, and we're going to go in on that, okay? So with this loose, which is counterclockwise, this will slide some, so you can get that to fit. So we'll go on here, and then to get this to fit, actually it fits, but you can slide it like so. So you want that on. Then the cotter pins, both cotter pins, what you do is you just put those Okay, so each cotter pin will just go in like so. Then this other cotter pin will come over here. Make sure they're all the way in. Like so. Okay, so now we have to tighten it. It's important that it's not too tight, but you want snug. So you just turn this clockwise until it gets snug. Okay, there, it's getting snug. And then just loosen it off a little bit. You don't want it too tight. So one more thing, and you may not have to do this with your travel trailer, but some people will just block this with wood, you know, and use that. But this is like extends up and down, and it's very versatile. I don't even need to use a block of wood. So we're just going to raise this up while we're traveling just to keep it off the ground some. So we just simply pull this cotter pin out, pulls out. And then we're going to go up as high as we can and just back down so we get the two poles to align, like so. And then we're just going to attach that, like so, just to keep it up. Also remember, if you have your stabilizer jacks down on your camper, make sure that you raise them up. If you have any wheel chocks, remove those. Any scissors jacks in the wheels, remove those. Make sure somebody's checking the lights, the brake lights, the turn signals. Make sure everything is working properly. Do another walkthrough, make sure everything's okay, and then take off. Thank you, YouTube friends, for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. Please remember to subscribe below, and have a great day. Thank you.